This is Alan with TabTech and TabTechUnlockSim.com. Service we have here today is our Sprint Unbarring service. If you have a device that was originally purchased at Sprint and it is on the Sprint blacklist for being lost or stolen, this is the unbarring process. Unbarring is a term that's used in the industry for basically unblacklisting a device. If there's a device on the blacklist for being lost or stolen, unbarring means you take the bars off, you remove it from the blacklist back to normal operating operations. It will be usable again. Now, this unbarring service will not remove money that is owed if the device is tied to an account. It doesn't remove the money owed, anything like that. It simply reverses the lost and stolen status to a clean and clear status, so you can use it again or sell it or trade it in. It removes the blacklist. It's a really cool service. We also have on our website a blacklisting service where we can take a clean and clear device and you submit the IMEI, and we can put a device on the blacklist. Now that's typically for cell phone shops, things of that sort, dealers. Some regular people have used that, devices that were stolen from them, so we can blacklist a device. But this service right here, our Sprint Unbarring service, turning it from lost and stolen to clean and clear, is a wonderful service. Takes probably, I think, 10 days, 2 weeks, something like that, but it does work. I personally have done 2 devices so far, and I've been using them and they work fine. So it is a nice service to have when you need it. We are reputable. It does work. We do offer a money back guarantee. So check our service out. I appreciate the time. We have a bunch of cool services on our website, iPhone unlocks, Android unlocks, and I'm sure you'll find something that you can use. So go to TabTechUnlockSim.com, and I appreciate it. Thank you.